Hi, dear friend. Well, a simple statement like, I can be happy. It's okay, I'm allowed to be happy. If you find it difficult, when you say it out loud, I can be happy, if there are any voices that doubts it, tell you, no, the world is a terrible, frightening place. How can you be happy? Do you want to make a change in you? Please join as you take full responsibility for your process. So, say it out loud, I can be happy. It's okay for me to be happy. And here you feel the resistance. Feel it, you know it. Talk with me. I let go. I gladly let go. I don't need this opposition. Don't need to believe these stories anymore. I'm changing now. Bye-bye past. I'm changing now. It's a different energy in me. It's a different look on my face. That's a different me. That's a new me. Strong, vibrant, optimistic, open to life, simple, soft. This is the new me. It was there all the time, but was hidden by fear, disbelief. But all these are gone now, melting away. I choose to be happy. Choose to trust life. Choose to be thankful. Choose to be soft. To be kind. Be gentle with me. Feel gratitude. This is the new me. Take a deep breath. Once again, I can be happy. I can have a happy life. See if there's any resistance. It's all melting away. It's gone now. It's melting away. I don't need it. It's okay. Safe. I let go. I let go. Now smile with me. Don't have to repeat it, just smile with me. Okay? Allow your face to smile. It's okay. I'm smiling. I quite like it. It's nice to smile. I can feel it on my face, my eyes, all over my body. The smile is getting bigger. It's everywhere. It's melting all the fears, the disappointments, the disbelief. All this are just melting away. No longer there. Thank you for the gift of life, the challenges, the struggle, the joy, the successes, the friendships, the love and care. Thank you for all. This is the new me. This is the new me. Yeah. It's okay to be happy. Very simple. Yeah. And it's a feeling. Practice it, smile it, let go of unnecessary worries or all this heaviness. No, life can be light. It doesn't mean there will be no more challenges, struggle, difficulties, whatever. Yeah, but you take it in a light way. You just take a good, you go through it. Learn what you can, do the best you can. Be soft, be kind. It's okay. It's somewhere in yourself. Always remember, in your heart, in your mind. It's okay. This is life. This is living. The whole bundle, the whole thing. And whilst I live, whilst I'm in it, I choose to be happy. So, take care. Look after yourself. Be kind to yourself and to other people. Offer help whenever you can. Let's make it a better place for all of us. It's possible. Take care. Bye-bye.